How to add free domain in Wix website. So hello there guys. Before we get started, I'm just gonna share to you that the domains are for free. However, in the Wix website, you may be able to create or make some payments for this one. So here in our Wix website, what we're going to do is to simply create a new site, and after which we are going to be routed in our creation section page. So here, you just need to answer the questions. However, I'm going to skip this part. Okay, so also this one, I'm just going to skip this one as well. And as well as this. Okay, now what we're going to click on is that we're going to go to our dashboard after that. And here in the dashboard section, basically we'll wait for it to load first. And by then, once it has loaded, we're going to simply select on connect a custom domain. So here you just need to click on the connect domain button. Alright, so once you have clicked on it, basically you will be routed to another page. Okay, and then here you just need to enter your free domain. So one website that I will recommend to you guys is the hostinger.ph. This is for the Philippines, of course, since it's PH. And here in Hostinger, you can actually search for domains that are available. And as you can see, it costs nothing or 0 pesos a year. So you can actually simply add that to your cart. And once you have added that to your cart, you will basically you can actually check that out. And here they will actually ask you that maybe you want to upgrade to premium or business. However, we're gonna make use of the free one, of course. So here we just need to copy and paste our domain in Wix. And now here, in order for you to connect the domain, what you're going to do is to simply click on the upgrade now. So here in Wix, it's not actually free to connect your domain, and you need to select a plan. So you have 4 plans available. That's VIP, Unlimited, Combo, and Connect Domain. So the VIP costs $24.50 a month. The Unlimited costs $12.50. Combo costs $8.50, and Connect Domain costs $4.50. So if, for example, you would want to actually have or avail the combo, so simply select on that one. And then after which you just need to select what kind of billing cycle you would like to have. So the 2 years, yearly, or the monthly. So basically you would save a lot if you're gonna make use of the yearly and the 2-year plan. Now when you click on continue, you will basically be routed to this page where you are going to choose what payment method you're going to make use of. So if you want to use your credit card, you can actually do that. Or if you want to have your PayPal account, then you could also do that as well. Now click on the submit purchase here in the summary section in the left hand side, or in the right hand side rather. And you would be able to connect your domain. Now, aside from Hostinger, there are actually other free domain websites that you can visit and make. So let's go over it one by one. Alright, so first on our list is Freenom. So Freenom is a domain registrar that offers free domain names with extensions like .tk, .ml, .ga, .cf, and .gq. So say for example, you would want to make a free domain and check its availability. You can do that here in their search bar and click on the check availability button right there. Okay, So these domain names can also be used for personal and non-commercial purposes as well, by the way, guys. So there you have it. Okay, remember that you need to have .tk, .ml, .ga, .cf, and .gq instead of the usual .com in the browser. So another website that you can go to is the Infinity Free. So Infinity Free is a web hosting provider that offers free hosting and a free subdomain name for your website. So here you can actually sign up for Infinity Free by inputting your email, password, and just need to confirm your password. And then tick on the box to agree to the terms of services and simply sign up. Okay, now here you could also make use of AwardSpace. So AwardSpace is another web hosting provider that offers free hosting and a free subdomain. So say for example your website .awardspace.com, and you can also use your own domain name with their free hosting for free. So in order for you to get started, you can actually click on the Get Started button right here, there. And when you click on Get Started, basically you can join using your Facebook account or your Google account. And then if you don't opt to do this option, you could also use your email and manually input it right here in the fill forms. And then click on the Register Now button below. Okay, so there. If you want to know, like, you want to see more options, or like you want to avail more web hosting, then they also have like premium web hosting platforms or domains that you can avail monthly, yearly, and the likes. However, of course, we would want to make use of a free account just for now. All right. So here, the last website domain builder that I will recommend to you guys is Bluehost. So Bluehost is a web hosting provider that offers a free domain name only for the first year, and that's when you sign up for the hosting plan. After the first year, you will need to renew the domain name at a regular price. Okay, so if you want to simply start off with your Bluehost, then you can actually click on the Get Started button. However, when you actually click on the Get Started button, you would basically be routed to the plan section and the different kinds of, web hosting plans that you are being offered. Okay, so let's try clicking on the Get Started button right here. Okay. So when you get started, basically you will be routed to this section. So there are actually 4 plans within this web hosting platforms. You need to really apply to one. So the first year again is for free. However, the succeeding years, or the succeeding months rather, is not for free anymore. So here, let's try to check their free domain policy. So there you can actually get an overview, the free domain policy, by clicking on the link for the free domain policy. And basically that's about it. So one thing, guys, that you need to keep in mind is that these options are actually for free, but there are always limitations and restrictions. And free domain names may not look as professional as paid domain names and may not be ideal for commercial or business websites. And that's about it for today's video. Hope you find this video helpful, and thank you so much for watching.